Jen is the fastest caller in her company. No one can match how many calls she can make in one day. What's her secret? Jen uses the Highlight to Dial feature in Virtual Office Desktop. Highlight to Dial is a great shortcut for Virtual Office that works with spreadsheets, email, CRM, web browsers, or any Windows application. This shortcut saves Jen time getting to her next call. To use the Highlight to Dial feature, first select the number you wish to call and then use the Make a Call keyboard shortcut. More keyboard shortcuts can be found in the Settings tab of Virtual Office. These system-registered shortcuts will work when the app is not in focus and are the only shortcuts available to view, edit, or delete. To edit a shortcut, click the Edit icon. To delete a shortcut, click the Delete icon. Now that you know the secret to Jen's speedy calling, use 8x8's Highlight to Dial feature in Virtual Office and never dial another number again.